Welcome back, guys. Make your kitchen smarter, faster, and more fun. In today's video, we're exploring some amazing kitchen gadgets that will transform the way you cook. That literally everyone is buying from gadgets that are really handy for home and daily life tasks. You must see, and like always, links to these gadgets will be in the description below. Let's get started. The COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1, a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make cooking faster and healthier. This air fryer comes with 9 different cooking functions, allowing you to fry, bake, roast, and even reheat your favorite meals with little to no oil. Its user-friendly digital touchscreen makes selecting the perfect cooking mode easy, while the spacious basket fits generous portions, perfect for family meals. Whether you want crispy fries, tender chicken, or even baked desserts, the COSORI Air Fryer delivers great taste with less mess and fewer calories. It's an excellent addition for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine without sacrificing flavor. The COSORI Electric Kettle, a sleek and efficient appliance that quickly boils water for all your hot beverages and cooking needs. With its modern design and stainless steel body, it not only looks great on your countertop but is built to last. The kettle heats water rapidly, saving you time when making tea, coffee, or instant meals. It also features a safety auto shut-off and boil-dry protection, giving you peace of mind while it's in use. Easy to fill and clean, the COSORI Electric Kettle combines convenience with style, making it a must-have for every kitchen. The Immersion Blender handheld corded set with 1100 watts of powerful blending performance. This kitchen tool is perfect for smoothies, soups, sauces, and even baby food. Its strong motor ensures quick and smooth blending every time, while the ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip for better control. The set usually includes multiple attachments like a whisk, chopper, and mixing beaker, making it a versatile choice for everyday cooking. Whether you're pureeing hot soup right in the pot or whipping cream in seconds, this Immersion Blender saves you time and effort in the kitchen. The Immersion Blender handheld set with 1100 W power is perfect for fast and smooth blending. It works great for soups, smoothies, sauces, and more. With its strong motor and multiple attachments, it can chop, mix, and whisk with ease. The ergonomic handle gives better control, and its compact design makes storage simple. Whether you're cooking daily meals or prepping quickly, this blender is a great time saver in the kitchen. If you're looking to save time in the kitchen, the Mueller vegetable chopper Mandoline slicer might just become your new favorite tool. It's a compact, stylish, and highly versatile gadget that makes chopping and slicing vegetables quick and effortless. Whether it's lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, or onions, this chopper handles it all with ease. The ultra-sharp stainless steel blades ensure clean, even cuts every time. Plus, it comes with a safety guard to protect your hands while slicing. Whether you want thin slices, julienne cuts, or perfectly diced veggies, it delivers with just a few pushes. Prepping your ingredients takes only minutes, giving you more time to enjoy cooking. The EEXT Smart Food Kitchen Scale with Nutritional Calculator, a must-have for anyone serious about healthy eating. This isn't just a regular kitchen scale. It connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth and syncs with the VSync app to give you detailed nutritional info for thousands of foods. You'll get real-time data on calories, protein, fat, carbs, and more right on your phone. Whether you're meal prepping, tracking macros, or just watching your portions, this scale makes it incredibly easy and accurate. It features a sleek glass surface, a clear digital display, and sensitive touch buttons. Thanks for watching.